Hey up, fellas.
Too bad I don't have a drone anymore. Hi, stud.
I can just picture some little sparrow somewhere with glow sticks going mad.
Lamb. Hey, lamb. Baby lamb.
You're one and only.
Hi all you lovely 401 Files people. Hope everybody's really well. Hope you've all had a great week so far. I'm back out again on my own today though. Junior's at work, so I've decided to come out and do a solo camp. I've got the wrong attire on. In true Lake District fashion, you can never really assume what the weather's going to be like regardless of what the weather forecast says. It can change from 1 minute to the next. There you are, look kids. Fidget spinners. Try and get that on the end of your finger and spin it.
You're one and only.
It's already getting incredibly steep and I'm already starting to sweat. So it should be interesting. I'm going to need a wetsuit by the time I get to the top of here.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Beautiful views though, absolutely stunning views. Every which way you look. Absolutely unbelievable. Wow. I finally made it to the top of this part.
2,000 years later.
And that was some hard going. It's like something out of Lord of the Rings. Absolutely breathtaking. There's some guys here. These might know where we're going. Let's ask these.
No cave is there, so you can have a skirt round, or I guess take a more direct route and just follow the footpath. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So literally take a picture of what you want.
So we're going to be coming to the car park down the bottom.
Yeah.
Down the bottom here.
You're going to be going straight up, that's obvious, really easy, really quick.
Look at this, a good light. So I've just walked to the top of there, saw them very kind people that pointed me back in the right direction. I do have a map on my phone, but that's a schoolboy error and one that I will be making again. So yeah, thanks guys. Didn't get your name, but I really appreciate the help that you give me because now you've steered me back on the right track and hopefully I can get to where I want to be now before nightfall. But I've got a massive task in front of me because if you thought that hill that I was just going up was big, this is humongous. Taking a picture of his map, which was a great idea, and we're back on. Wow. Please, please, please tell me that caught that. Looked like a Spitfire, World War II Spitfire coming through the valley there. At this point, there's no rush. I'm just gonna steady away, take my time. It's actually harder coming downhill than it is going uphill. When you're going uphill, you've got some leverage to push your feet off and you can get a good hold. Coming down, you've got to keep your own weight. Puts a lot of pressure on your legs and on your feet, and you definitely start getting crazy leg shake. So I'm just going to take my time. It is a big ass mountain to climb, but as R. Kelly said, I am a mountain, oh I am a swift wind. He never said that. He probably did, but not in that order.
I've been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign to let the hour come. Oh, 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 oh.
just sat here now looking across these hills and through this valley, and I'm thinking about the guys and the girl that I met over on that other hill, over on the other mountain. If you're watching this, thank you for not judging me, thank you for helping me, coming over to speak to me, even pulling out your map, suggesting that I take a photo with it, and just did everything you could really to help me. And never met him before, but offered me for a pint at the pub if I changed my plans for the night. Just really down to earth, nice people. So if you're watching this, thank you. You know who you are. I didn't get your name. I'm really sorry about that. I didn't get your name, but you'll know who you are. And yeah, I really appreciate that. Thank you. God, absolutely killer. I've just been thinking as I'm walking up, I'm lactose intolerant, I can't have anything with milk, but fuck it, I don't care. Tomorrow morning, I am getting a Burger King, and I'm going to enjoy it. I might even get a milkshake as well, just because I can. Well, I can't. My stomach will blow, I'll have shits and I'll probably feel ill, but that's not the point. Hi, stud. You're 31 now, Ben. You're gonna have to start calling us a day eventually. Said no one ever. I wish someone would. I wish you would. I've now got to climb up there, scramble. This just gets worse and worse. Public footpath, left. Brilliant, let's have a look. Alright, now would be a good time to mention actually that I'm scared of heights. And in fact, the higher I get, the lower my central body mass gets towards the ground. And eventually I end up on all fours, clinging onto grass, rocks, people's feet, old women, disabled. Whoever's there, they'll just go down with me, it's happening, so.
Hustling on toes, crossing in sleeping bags. I've come to know the memories were the best things you ever had. The sun was shone, beat down and bony bags. So far from home where the ocean stood, down dust and pine cone tracks. We slept like dogs down by the fireside, oh, to the fall, all around us, the boom of summertime.
Unbelievable! I'm absolutely gutted that I didn't bring any spare boxes or didn't bring any swimming stuff, because I've just put my hand in there and gone in a little way with my feet, and it's really, really warm. You can imagine it's been a really hot day today, so the sun's been belting down on that, which is unusual because town water is really notoriously cold. It's times like this that I'm really regretting losing my drone. I mean, imagine footage of me walking across the top of this mountain. It's all flat up here, it's like a meadow. Loads and loads of place here for me to pitch a tent tonight. But can you imagine the footage from a drone when it's got the mountain in its whole entirety and I'm walking across the top? Too bad I don't have a drone anymore. This is it, guys. This is my humble abode for the night. Signal's really good up here on my phone. It's in intermittent though. Wherever you walk, it goes from like 1 bar to 4 bars, but I am able to get signal up here, which is good. And I know some of you guys are gonna hate me for this, but I'm gonna try and watch the football game tonight. It's England. It's their last friendly before they head off to Russia for the World Cup, so I am a football fan and I do like to keep track of what England are doing. And yes, that doesn't mean that I appreciate where I am any less. It just means that I want to do what, while I'm here, do what I enjoy to do, what relaxes me, and football is one of them things, so. Come on England, come on England. How starry it's going to be tonight when, or if, these clouds part.
Can you hear this bird? It's like a techno bird, it's doing like techno. This bird's just going crazy. I can just picture some little sparrow somewhere with glow sticks going mad.
Alright, giddy. This sheep knows it wants an Oreo. Come get an Oreo then. Come on. Come get your Oreos. Look at him, he can't wait for an Oreo. He's like, man, get the hell out of here, man. Oh no, he wants milk. Lamb. Lamb. Hey, lamb. Baby lamb. Oh, be like that then. How many rooms do you know that are completely free and have a view like that? It's mad, isn't it, to think that there the sun is, just going down over that hill there. For me, it will soon be night time. Well, it's the same sun that's going down for many other countries all around the world right now as well. So I'm here on top of this mountain, experiencing the sun going down there, creating a beautiful red sky, but yet thousands, millions of other people are also experiencing the same thing from a different perspective. Just gonna call it a night now. The sun's just about gone over that mountain behind me, and the temperature's dropped massively now, so I'm starting to shake a little bit, so I'm going to get into my sleeping bag and keep my door open for a little while because it still is nice to look out. It's just a bit cold, so I'll probably catch up with you guys in the tent and then pick this up again tomorrow morning. But from me to you, have a great night. Whatever you're doing, be safe doing it, and I'll see you in the morning. Morning, fellow campers. It is exactly 3:45 in the morning. The sun's going to be up at 4:47, so I'm going to start getting out of this tent and packing down, I think. Last night was not too bad, actually. The wind kept me awake a little bit, obviously flapping on the side of the tent. And then there was the sheep outside doing sheep Olympics, running around everywhere, making the most god-awful sounds you can imagine. I'm sure they were doing it on purpose. So my thought process for today is, last night I saw two runners that came up onto the mountain, and they ran off back down the mountain in a different direction than what I climbed. So my thought process is this: if they're running, they aren't going to be running down like a steep descent, not like the way I climbed up yesterday, which was pretty steep. So I'm thinking about heading off in that direction which they left, and hopefully that'll be a bit more gradual and steady as we go.
I'm about packed away now. I've got my sleeping bag in my bag, just the tent to drop, and then I'll start heading back down the side of the mountain. The only bad thing to say about this whole trip was 2 things. 1, that Junior wasn't on it, and 2, I can't stay another night because it's just been absolutely perfect and I've really, really enjoyed myself.
I've been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign, to let the hour come. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, what a night. Late December back in '63. What a very special time for... Bye, sheep! Be sharp! Late December.
I've been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign, to let the hour come.